Hey guys, it's Susan. How's everybody doing today? I hope everybody's well and healthy. So far, so good over this way. I want to show you something that I just put together. I'm using a charm, I'm using a cute little butterfly, and I'm using chips. This is apatite. These are purple crystals, and I'm using some bugle beads. I've also got a bronze lever back. I wanted to do something like a mixed metal media, so I'm using bronze, but I'm also using gold head pins, and I think the contrast looks really nice together. So let me show you how to put this together. We are going to use our one-step looper. So what I need are 10 head pins. I need 4 apatite chips. I need 3 purple crystals, 6mm, and then I need 3 of the bugle beads. For charms, I'm going to need my pendant with a hole on the top, and I'm going to need a little butterfly. So I'm going to take one head pin first. I'm going to go ahead and put it on my apatite chip, like that. I'm going to go ahead and get my one-step looper and slide it right over until I come out the end, and there's a hole right here, so I need to come out that end and make sure that this is up against the jaw. Then I'm just going to go ahead and pinch it together, and then I've got my loop. Take that out, kind of jimmy out my loop, and sometimes these don't close completely, so what I like to do is come in with my round nose pliers and make sure that the loop is completely closed. Using another head pin, I'm going to show you how to do this again. I'm going to put on my crystal, go ahead and slip it through, making sure that it comes out of the back hole, like that. Making sure it's right there. And then go ahead and squeeze it. And then I can go ahead and finish off my loop. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of these, and then I'll meet you back here. I can also use my one-step looper to make my loop on my butterfly. I'm just going to butt it up against my jaw, like that, and then go ahead and squeeze. And then use my round nose pliers to come in and make sure that my loop is securely closed, like that. Okay, I have everything done. I've got my 4 apatite. I've got 3 of my purple crystals, and I've got 3 of my bugle beads. I also have my little butterfly that I've simple looped, and then I have my charm for the bottom and my eye pin. My eye pin's already open. I'm going to go ahead and slip on my charm and close that up by twisting it back. What I'm going to do is get a jump ring, and this is a fairly thick 6mm. I'm going to open that up, and then I'm going to hang on my butterfly and close that down. Okay, so I've laid out the pattern for you. I've got apatite, 2 crystals, apatite, 2 crystals, apatite, 2 crystals, and an apatite. And then on the very top, I'm going to put a crystal without the simple loop on the top. So I've got this done. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my butterfly, and that's going to hang in the front like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and just stack on my components. I've got my crystals, and then another apatite, my gemstone, and then 2 more crystals, another gemstone, 2 more crystals, my apatite, and then I'm going to finish off with my purple bead, my purple crystal. Okay, once I have everything stacked on, I have to go and make my simple loop at the top. The hole on the lever back is side to side, so I have to make my loop on the side. So I'm going to go ahead and get my chain nose pliers, shake it down a little, and then I'm going to come on the side of my wire. I'm going to go ahead and bend it to the side, and then I'm going to cut and then I'm going to use my round nose pliers and roll until I have my loop. Then I'm going to go ahead and twist my lever back open. I'm going to hang on my cluster earring, close it down by twisting it back. And there you have it. Super sweet and so easy to make. I hope you enjoyed this video and you will give these earrings a try. They are so lovely on. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for joining me. See you again next time.